How has your audience changed since you started?
You know what? The audience has totally grown up. It used to be, when we first started with the show, that it would be a whole bunch of geeks of the week and pocket protected nerds, and they'd call in. And then I always loved this because they'd call in and they'd be like all bleary eyed, and they'd say, "All right, I got the computer apart, and where do I put the memory in?" And then now it's so much nicer because we have this whole breadth. It's a whole digital lifestyle. Because now it's people that are saying, well, how do I stop my kids from texting and driving? How do I see what my husband is doing on Facebook because I think it's not so kosher, so I want to be able to check his Facebook messages. Speaking of Facebook, how do I market? I mean, it's all across the whole spectrum, and it also spans all ages. And I may get a call from a 15-year-old wanting to know what type of laptop to buy for the rest of high school and to get into college, or I may get a call from a CEO who's wondering what's the best way to monitor his employees as he has 13 shops up and down the East Coast, which actually was a call on last weekend's show.